Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to SIMnet and name is today project is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 guided project 5 to 3. So we just highlight that one. So guided project 5 to 3. Here are the instructions about the file that what we have in today's file, how we have to solve that one. So Hamilton Civil Center provide attracts services for community residents. You prepare sheet for consolidation, create dynamic data consolidation to link data, copy the company logo and complete work for the summary workbook. So all these will be covered in today project. What we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Following SLOs will be covered in today project 5.1 to 5.6. Okay. Then file needed this one. And after completed file name must be this one. Okay, so skill covered in this project: prepare group worksheet for consolidation, copy and place a picture, create static data consolidation by category, customize built-in number format, link workbook by position in consolidate dialog box, insert size and position a picture. So all these skill will be covered in today project. Okay, so after discussing the skills that we have covered in today project, now we are moving toward instruction file steps to complete this project. Then mark the steps as checked when you complete them. Okay, so before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignments. So in today assignment we have in graded report we have just 7 questions. You may see we have just 7 questions. 8, 9 and 10 are non-graded one. So we have just 7 questions in graded report. Let me start today assignment step by steps. So before going to solve this assignment, remember that we are solving SIMnet project Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 guided project 5 to 3. In start we discuss guided project 5 to 3, then we discuss the skills covered in today project, then we just saw how many questions we have in today instruction. Now we are moving towards, now we are just going to solve all these questions step by step. You may follow me and you will get A grade 100% marks. So in first part we have to open this start file or solution file that is already open in my case. Then in next case, if the workbook open in protected view, then click enable button so you can modify it. Okay, so we just simply click on enable editing button. Then in next part the file will rename automatically to include our name. Yes, file include our name automatically there. So question number 1 is done. In question number 1 we have to open our Hamilton CC05 start file, or we call solution file. After opening that, then we have to confirm. If it is in protected form, then we have to click enable button so we can modify it. The file will rename automatically to include our name. That is done. So question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Group worksheet. Now we have to group the worksheet in question number 2. So click first week there, then press shift and click third week. Okay, now press shift then click on third week. So now all 3 workbook are in group form. So question number 1 and question number 2 both is done, in which we have to first we have to select first week, then we just press shift key and click on third sheet, third week tab. Then in this way three sheets are in group. Okay, you may see all three worksheets are in group form. Okay, after solving question number 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. Complete group worksheet. Now we have to work on these group worksheet that are in group form. So in first part we have to select B5 and fill weekday names to Friday. B5, we have to fill this series to Friday. Okay, all will be done. Okay, you may see all three worksheet will be filled that one because all are in group form. Then in next part we have to auto fit column B2F. Where is B2F? We have to select that one, then double click on there, so that will be automatically fit. Okay, so question number 3 part A and B is done. Now we are moving toward part C. Select cell G6 to G12, then click auto sum button. We have to select cell G6 to G12, then in home group there, in editing group there is auto sum button, so we have to select sum there, so that will be automatically sum, that is in home group, editing group. Okay, then in part D we have to select cell B13 to G13, B13 to G13, and there we have to click auto sum button. Okay, so click on home, in editing group there is auto sum option, so that will be automatically sum up. Okay, that is also in a home tab editing group. So question number 3 part D is done. Now we are moving toward part E, where we have to select cell E4. Then in part F we have to right click on second week sheet, then choose on group worksheet. Okay, now right click on there, and here is on group worksheet. Okay, so question number 3 is done. In question number 3 there are 6 part, and we have done each and every part step by step. In first part, in question of 3 we read that we have to work on group worksheet, that we have, just like in question number 2 we make group of 3 worksheet. Now we have to work on that group worksheet. Okay, so in first part we have to select cell B5 and fill the weekday names to Friday. We have done. Then in part B we have to auto fit column B to F. Then in part C we have to select the cell G6 to G12 and click auto sum button. Then in part D we have to select the cell B13 to G13 and click auto sum button. Then in part E we just click on cell E4. Then in part F we right click on second week sheet tab and choose on group to make all worksheet in ungroup form. So question number 3 is done. After solving question number 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Copy and position a picture. So click to select organization logo on second week sheet. Okay. We just move to our second sheet, and there we have to select this logo. Then in part B, press Ctrl C to copy that picture or that logo. So we just select this, then right click there and copy that one. Now logo is copied. Now in part C we have to click first week sheet tab and press Ctrl V to paste the picture. Now move toward first week, and there we have to paste the picture there. So Control V to paste the picture. Then in part D, we have to point to the picture frame to move to display to move. Then drag the picture to fine tune to its location so that it appears in column E to left of Hamilton Civic Center. We have to drag this one toward here in left in column E, left of Hamilton Civic Center. So question number 4, part A, B, C, D and E is done. Now we are moving toward part F, where we have to select A4. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4 there are 5 parts. In first part we have to click and click to select organization logo on second week sheet. Then we just simply press Ctrl C to copy the picture of that, or we just copy that logo. Then in part C we just move toward first week sheet tab and press Ctrl V to paste the picture. Then in part D we have to point to the picture frame to display move pointer, drag the picture to fine tune to its location so that it appears in column E to its left of Hamilton Civic Center, and we have done and we get this result. Okay. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, now we are moving toward question number 5. So in question number 5, what we have to do? Prepare consolidation sheet. Okay, in question number 5, we have to prepare consolidation sheet. In question number 5, there are 5 parts and we have to solve each and every part step by step. In first part, we have to make a copy of first week sheet tab. Then name the copy as static. Then click on third week and there we have to do work. So in this way we will solve question number 5. Okay, then we just move to our question number 6, where we have to create static data consolidation by category. Then we have to follow all these instructions to solve question number 6 step by step. Okay, after that then we move to our question number 7. In question number 7 we have to edit and format the consolidation sheet. Then in question number 8 we just simply save and close your workbook. In question number 9 we have to upload save your project file. Then in question number 10 we have to submit file for grading. So in today's video we discuss SIMnet project Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 guided project 5 to 3. In short, we just discussed the instruction about the project, that is guided project 5 to 3. We just discussed these are all SLOs. Then we just moved toward skills covered and we discussed all the skills that we will cover in today's project. After that, then we move toward instruction file and we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First 5 questions we have done, and then we discuss question number 6, 7, 8. Okay, so out of question numbers total we have 7 questions. Out of 7 questions we have done first 5 questions, mean almost 70% assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, SQL project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise, because I'm in this field from last 10 years. So you can trust on me and you will get A grade 100% marks. And it's the biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from the scammer and you will get E grade 100% marks in every assignment. and our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. In today's video, we discuss SAMnet Excel 2021 in practice chapter 5 guided project 5 to 3. We have done almost 70 to 80% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Again, listen to me carefully that we have done almost 70% assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get a grade 100% marks. Meet soon with our next assignment. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future.